Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. We have another bag. What's inside the bag? 4 knives. Okay, we have a trophy keychain. Nice gifts, and we have the cutters. Okay, easy to open, or maybe I'm gonna mess that up. Okay, here we are. Oh, okay, here it is. Slides up. The blade's there, and it retracts. And I believe that's it. Let's see. Maybe you can open this here. Or not. I don't know. Just leave it alone. But yeah, it's safety nice to unbox more packages. So that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.